In this video, we're going to show you how to install the interior door handle trim bezel on your Toyota Camry located on the driver's side front door. Using a small pocket screwdriver or trim tool, we're going to go ahead and remove our trim bezel here, and you're going to insert this here and gently pry up and out. And then do the same on the bottom. Pull it out and away, releasing this little latch or lock from the inside of the panel. Set that aside. When installing your trim bezel, you want to pay attention to the retainer clip here, and then there's one insert right here that needs to snap in. So pull this out, and you're going to insert this clip here first into the door panel and then snap this in. Okay, snap it in. Once you have everything installed and you tested everything, you're all set.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.